Adding content to a Google site. Now that your site is created, it's time to add content to the page. By default, you have one page when you start building your Google site. This is your home page. This is the first page people will see when they visit your site. Across the top, here in the center of your banner, you're going to go ahead and type some kind of welcome message. This could be the title of the site, it could be a welcome, it can be whatever you want it to be. Underneath of this banner, you have blank white space. This is where you will build content. To add content, you're going to use the Insert menu that's on the right-hand side of your screen. You can see by default, the most commonly used pieces of content are going to be across the top. So you can add text boxes, images, you can embed files, or you can insert materials from Google Drive. Underneath of that, they'll have some recommended layouts that you can use. If you find a layout that you like, you can simply click and drag it over onto the page. This large square would be for images. It can be for file uploads. Again, if you just click the plus button, you'll see some options there that you can add. The nice thing about these layouts is it does automatically give you your headings and your body text. So those formats are already going to be there for you. Additional types of content are going to be found in the list below. There's lots of options here. And again, these are going to be all click and drag. So I might go ahead and take this divider and I'm going to go ahead and click and put that underneath of my initial picture and header. Another way that you can add content to your page is simply by double-clicking anywhere in the white space. This is really handy if you're building your content from scratch or your layout from scratch and not using one of the options over in the Insert menu. When you double-click, you'll get 5 of the most commonly used content pieces right at your fingertips. So you can insert text from this menu, an image, upload from your computer, insert something from Google Drive, or use an embed code from another website, maybe such as YouTube.